right, here we go. We're still in the 1G tab in our art bookshelf, and we're going to be reading a book called The Canoe. So a canoe is like a little boat. Usually you move the canoe with the oars, okay? It doesn't have a motor, so you have to paddle the canoe. So let's click on this book and see what happens. The Canoe. So here's a canoe. It's just like a little boat. The Canoe. Here, this is for you. You will like this. Yes, I do like this. Look, there is a turtle. And look, there is a frog. Look, there is a little fish. And there is a little fish. And there are there big fish in here? Oh no. Snap. Yes, big fish, big, big, big. All right, so let's do our power words. Is, this, for, here, will, there, yes, you, look, I, do, like, little, a, and, are, big, in. All right, so we're going to go back to the beginning of the book, and you are going to read. So again, the title is called The Canoe. Yes, big, big fish, big, big, big. Awesome job, guys. Now let's practice these power words. Great job. All right, your next activity is going to be a Nearpod activity. And if you finish that, then you can go to your Lexia app.